Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, freshly restored 1985 GMC Sierra. Sierras came loaded from the factory, and this one is fantastic. Got Jerry here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Jerry?
Alrighty, Mike.
Man, some truck.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. It just came down home stretch within the last few months. I've had it about 2 years. I've spent the last year and a half redoing every inch. Cab was off the chassis. The bed was off the frame. Nose was completely apart. The doors were gutted.
Yeah.
And I started from scratch, from the bottom up. The only reason why I left the motor and tranny in it was because they had 6,000 miles on them. That's a Jegs 355 small block with a 350 turbo and the original 12-bolt rear with a 308 gear.
Cool, nice and reliable, right?
Reliable and cruises nice on the road. I dynamated inside the cab before I put the interior in, so it's nice and quiet. AC blows cold, heat works great. It's got a new windshield. The truck was real clean when I originally got it. That's why I bought it to begin with. There was no rot or rust anywhere on the cab, on the bed, on the fenders. It had a flat hood. That's a brand new 2-inch Cal hood.
Steel, right?
All the trim on the outside's all new. All the trim. Taillights, wheel well moldings, mirrors, door handles, grill, headlights. It's all LED lighting through the whole truck, inside and out. It's got a whole bunch of new parts under the hood. The exhaust system's brand new. Stainless headers with 2.5-inch Flowmaster exhaust out the back. The rear is flipped. 7-inch flip on the rear with C-notch on the chassis. There's 3-inch drop spindles in the front, and I cut a coil on the springs. They're brand new, so it might settle a little bit more in the front. I did the paint.
It's beautiful.
I've been doing paint work on my cars for about 50 years.
It's beautiful.
And I probably got about 2 or 3 days of just laying all that striping out on the hood, down the side.
Yeah.
The tailgate. I put the filler panel below the tailgate in the back.
I love that. Really nice.
Yes, the grill is an option. That's an optional chrome grill and headlight bezels. They usually come in silver, but that's all chrome. The GMC emblem that's on the grill too lights up. When you put the lights on, that lights up that GMC emblem.
Very cool.
All new shocks, new regulator. I rebuilt the regulators in the doors, new regulator electric motors on the windows, new windshield. All the lighting, like I said, is all LED through the whole truck inside and out. It's all brand new. All new brakes. Disc brakes in the front, drum in the back, but everything is brand new. Calipers, rotors, lighting, drums, new steering box, new water pump, new alternator, new Edelbrock carburetor, 600 CFM Edelbrock carburetor.
Well, what is this red color from? Is that a modern
red
color?
Red is a factory Mazda color. It's a tri-coat, 3-stage. The black is just GM black, base coat, clear coat. But the red is a 3-stage that you can get. It comes standard on any Mazda as an option. So in case there's anything ever happens, you can touch it up easy or get something repaired, God forbid something happens.
Beautiful.
The wheels and tires are brand new.
Love the red lines. Really ties everything together.
Yes.
Those are US mags. What are they? 20.
US mags. 20s in the front. They're
22 in the rear.
20 by 8 in the front, and those are 22s in the back by 10.
Yeah, it gives it a killer look.
Those are Diamondback Redlines.
Beautiful. Nice touch. I love how you tied in the black and the red throughout the whole truck, right from the tires to the interior. And this balance is beautifully smooth. Oh my God.
That's a late model GMC emblem on the tailgate. That's all rhino lined inside.
Yeah, beautiful. And I love how this bed matches the body lines. Beautiful.
All the web stripping is all brand new through the whole truck. The doors, the glass, the windshield, the back window. Dash pad is new. The front seats done in houndstooth and reupholstered. New door panels. All the switches are new. Tilt column. Like I said, the AC and the heat blows ice cold. That's a new stereo in there. I didn't even set it up yet, but it's Bluetooth. That center console, you could put 3 people across the front. Seatbelts are all brand new. Shoulder harness for the passenger and the driver.
Yeah.
And the third occupant in the middle has his own seatbelt.
Yeah, beautiful. Love the Alcantara on the roof, right down to the visors with the coordinating red stitch. Beautiful 3-spoke steering wheel, looks like a Grant. And then he sanded it all down and then stained it in black. Looks gorgeous. Little red tint to all the bezels and the dash and everything. This truck is brand new. Every piece, every little stitch, everything. And he's got a custom stereo in it, Bluetooth, aux, USB, everything. Power steering, power brakes, air. Every gauge, the clock, everything works. Literally like a brand new truck.
It's like being in your living room when you open the doors at night because of the LED lighting.
Oh, I love that. It's pretty. And this folds down too. Got a little cup holders there. Even a little notch out for a mug. Pretty cool. All the weather stripping. Everything is new on this truck. Here it is, 355 stainless steel headers. Chrome valve covers. Chrome, looks like a reformer intake. Set of 600 CFM carburetor, single pumper. Electronic ignition, painted inner wells, outer wells, detailed.
Molded the firewall, wheel wells are molded.
New.
I like a lot of detail. All the bolts, all the 5/16 bolts.
Yeah, all the stainless steel and chrome latch, LED headlights, dual exhaust. Sounds like Flowmasters.
Yes. Chrome good hinges.
Tilt wheel. Even the cruise control switch is brand new. Pretty truck. Got all the receipts with the build. This is new. Man, you really outdid yourself on this one.
Oh, thank you.
How many hours do you have in the wet sanding alone?
500. Yes. Couple of weeks.
All of these stripes and everything are all cleared over. Beautifully done. This is literally the nicest GMC Sierra I've ever seen. Look at the detail work on the hood. Stripes.
3 or 4 hours into the stripe on the hood and lay on the side.
Gorgeous.
4 or 5 hours to lay the stripe on the side. The 2 palms.
It's just as nice underneath. Yeah, look at the headers. Beautiful. Every inch. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Jerry, again, fantastic job on this truck. I cannot even believe how gorgeous it is. Much nicer than I thought. Guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 photos I took today, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.